So I pulled the covers off, and right away you can see lots of build-up here from the belt. Definitely should have been changed a long time ago. And here we go. So the belt is not broke, but the teeth are stripped right off it on both sides there. So I guess I thought I would have broke because I thought I heard a little break, kind of a snap, but apparently that's not what I heard. So I'm not a mechanic, but looks to me like we need to pull the belt. Probably not move anything up here. I'm really not sure how we do this. You can see the marks clearly. I'm not sure how to get it in timing. I'm going to have to watch some videos, I guess, or consult with a friend who's an expert. Probably that'd be the smartest thing to do. Okay, so I'm going to clean up these covers first. And maybe go watch a video, because there was somebody else who had this issue. I want to see what they did, now that I know it didn't totally break. Okay, here's where we're at. Time to clean up and figure out how to get the timing right.